The world outside has never promised eternal peace. Unforeseen storms and shifts beyond our reach arrive without warning, shaking the very foundations of our reality today. We often find ourselves exhausted, trying to stop the crashing waves, forgetting that we simply cannot control the vastness of the mighty and unpredictable ocean. Life moves fast, throwing us into a whirlwind of noise. We struggle to keep up, gasping for air as the external chaos consumes our energy and focus. The more we try to grasp onto things we cannot hold, the more they slip away. True struggle begins when we fight against the inevitable flow. Adversity itself is not our enemy. Our greatest adversary is the hopeless resistance we mount against the things that are completely outside of our individual control. When your mind begins to move in sync with the chaos, you become a drifting fragment, lost in a sea of uncertainty, instead of being the master. We spend so much energy shielding ourselves from the storm, yet the more we resist, the more vulnerable we feel to the forces surrounding our existence. Every effort to fight the wind only highlights our limitation. We must realize that external stability is a myth, and our internal reaction is the truth. Instead of being the captain of our own destiny, we let the waves dictate our course. We are losing ourselves in the very storm we fear. Look at the lighthouse. It does not run for cover when the storm arrives. It does not attempt to calm the ocean or stop the rain. Its only duty is to keep the inner light burning bright and to stand tall upon its own solid foundation, unwavering regardless of the chaos. This is the art of mindset, finding stillness in the heart of movement. It is the ability to remain centered while everything around you is flux. To be like the lighthouse is to accept the storm as part of the landscape, while focusing entirely on your own purpose and your inner light. Silence is not the absence of noise, but a state of mind. By anchoring ourselves within, we find strength that no external storm can ever destroy. Mastering your mindset is not about becoming unfeeling. It is about choosing how you respond to the events that unfold in your daily life and soul. Instead of asking why this is happening, try asking what you can do. Your power lies in the gap between the stimulus and your response. Within that small space of reflection, you find your freedom. It is here that you decide who you are, independent of the circumstances that surround. Stability comes from the habits of the soul. By cultivating inner peace, we build a sanctuary that remains untouched by the fluctuations of the modern world. We are the masters of our internal weather. When we stop trying to control the wind, we finally find the strength to adjust our sails. The world may never stop its constant motion, but you can choose to be the lighthouse of your own life, standing firm through every tide. Hold your position and keep your faith bright. The storms of life will inevitably pass, but the stillness you build within is truly eternal and powerful. Remember that your light is needed most when the darkness is deepest. Be the beacon that guides your own path through the unknown and the uncertain. Be your own lighthouse. Let your inner peace be the compass that leads you home, no matter how wild the storms of the world become.